Hey guys, this is the help video for question number 4 about the laundry. So this question is asking you to compare the change in the laundry jugs between Brenda and John. So in this scenario, people are pouring laundry detergent from the jug into the cap, and they're pouring it out a certain number of times. Let's say you pour it out 2 3/4 times. And every time you pour it, you're pouring the exact same amount. In this case, let's say you're pouring 24/100ths of an ounce each time. Now, what we're being asked is to try to figure out how much does the amount of detergent in the jug change. So every time you pour it, you're losing 24/100ths of an ounce, so that's going to be negative. To find out the total change, you need to multiply the number of times you pour times how much you pour. So really the problem is to take 2 3/4 times negative 24/100ths. You have a fraction and a decimal, you need them both to be in the same format. So I'm going to show you both. You don't have to do both. Choose which one you prefer. So to work with fractions, I have to change this into an improper fraction, and I need to change this decimal into a fraction. So 2 3/4 as an improper fraction is going to be 11/4 times, this is negative 24/100ths, which is negative 24/100. Now I want to cross cancel to make this a little bit easier. So 4 and 24 are both divisible by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So now I'm multiplying 11 times 6, which is 66, and 1 times 100 is 100, and positive times negative is negative. So my answer is negative 66/100ths. So that means this bottle went down 66/100ths of an ounce. If you want to work with the decimals, you need to change 2 3/4 into a decimal. 3/4 is one of those benchmark decimals that we worked on memorizing. That would be 2.75 times negative 24/100ths. And you could set that up like a traditional multiplication problem. So we have 275 times 0.24. And we multiply. 4 times 5 is 20. 0, carry the 2. 4 times 7 is 28. Plus 2 is 30. 0, carry the 3. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. I use those carries, so now I'm going to put in a 0 placeholder. Now I'm going to do 2 times 5 is 10, 0, carry the 1. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Then we add, we get a 0, a 0, a 6, and a 6. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places in my factor, so I need 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places in my answer. So that would be negative 66/100ths ounces, which is the same as the fraction, except it's just a different format. Now in the problem, you're going to have to do that twice, and you're going to have to compare your results.